Okay, I got that commercial pickup to do. So, a couple things around. Bin is full. Okay, so here's the bin. So I mean, it could be more full, but you know, it's gonna be good enough. Snowing right now, and they talked about wet snow. So anyways, okay, so I'm gonna start getting this hooked up here. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I don't think it's gonna be too heavy, but any less, we still have to get it dumped. Hopefully, I don't know, maybe around 3,000 pounds. I'm thinking it just doesn't seem too heavy. Okay, dump this commercial pickup. It's got I don't know, like 7 pallets of all sorts of something to do with a big commercial printer and a bunch of boards and all other kind of stuff is going in too. So could be a good pick. Kind of excited there. Just never know. I just hope this weather's not going to be a pain, because sometimes you get a really bad slush out here and it's just a nightmare dealing with cars. They're sliding in front of you. You know how it is, right? Okay, we'll go to the scrap here and we'll let you know what the weights and totals are. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I dropped that load there. It wasn't too heavy. It was, you know, fridges are pretty bulky, not super heavy. They're 200 pounds or something, maybe 250, some of them. But anyways, it was 2,680 pounds. It wasn't a lot. It was 211, but the price went up to 150 a ton now. So price has gone up a little bit, so $10 helps, right? But any event, wasn't loaded for weight. It was just because I had the commercial pickup, so I had to definitely get it ready. So I'm hoping I'm not going to get stuck in the snow here and picking this stuff up, because you can see the highway here is already slowing down quite a bit. Well, there is maybe road work here, hopefully, but anyways, it's supposed to be 7 pallets of stuff there. You sent me pictures. There's really, you know, cool looking stuff there. So I don't know if I can videotape what I can there, but in any event, I'll show you what I got. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, just finished loading all this all kinds of weird e-waste, really cool looking stuff. There's two-way radios in there. There's weird gadgets, and make some pretty good videos there. Okay, guys, if you see my video, guys, hey, thank you very much on getting me this stuff. Okay, now it's time back to go to the yard. Okay, so unbelievable. I was in Coquitlam on Mary Hill. It would snow heavy, went top of the hill, was almost raining. Now I come back to where I live in North Surrey. Look at this. It's like a storm hit here. Must have snowed really hard here. Anyways, I got the e-waste on. There's some really big, I don't know, rolling type. He said they came from, he thinks, from a bank, and they maybe process checks. I'm not really sure what they are, but I've seen lots of wiring and some transformers, and I think that most of them are kind of stripped down, but there's still probably some usable stuff. Before you know, I scrap it, I'm just taking apart the wiring and you know, whatever I can enhance a little extra value there. And but I got a bunch of two-way radios. I think they're copper radios, and yeah, it's going to be slippery here. I noticed my car slips a little bit, this truck. But most of the two-way radios, the circuit boards, or the main board's gone. The board that I guess it's your scrambling board, that's gone. So they're incomplete radios, but they still have the main board, but the actual other board is gone. That's this special board that makes it into digital and coded and all different things. But look, I can't believe the amount of snow here. It's ridiculous. Hope I'll be able to get up to my house because I live on a hill and it's pretty hairy. Wow, I just can't believe how much is here. Okay, so we'll go in my storage yard and I'm gonna see if I can show you a few things. Gave me a bunch of circuit boards too. Says there's gold plating on here, but I mean, it's possible. There is a little bit of plating on there, but a bunch of circuit boards are in wrappers that are unused. So pretty interesting pick here. So super happy. Gives me some good content I can put on there. Take some cool stuff apart. Show you guys some different type of e-waste. Okay, let's get to the yard. Stay tuned. I got a shovel. It's turning to ice here. Something weird going on here. Truck is sliding towards the gate, which a little bit weird. Well, it snowed, then it turned, it's raining, so creating an ice layer, if you know what I mean. Just, you know, I'm worried about the gate. It was weird, I kept wanting to going this way, so I just want to take a chance. It's barely any snow, but weird. Unless it's freezing rain or something now. At least this side, I'm not going to slide into the fence. Okay, a few more shoveling and then back in there. Okay, so I got a bunch of these things too. There is plating here. I'm not sure how good the plating is, but this thing probably weighs about 8 pounds. It's amazing how heavy plastic is. Well, there is copper in here. Actual fact is if it's double-sided, there's copper, right? That's why if I can get a granulating type machine, I could grind these boards up, and then what I can do is put it onto a shaker table, and then you can separate the gold and you can separate the copper, and the plastic will be, you know, go off to the side as waste. But pretty cool. So got a lot of that. I give you a bunch of stuff here. Some of the stuff, I don't know, might be just trash. I'm not sure what's in it. Might be nothing in that thing, but reels. But there's some different kind of e-waste. Oh, these are IC chips. That's awesome. IC chips. Yeah, I think they're all IC chips. And these are transistors or MOSFETs. Brand new. So somebody was manufacturing, these are all MOSFETs in here. Someone's manufacturing something, and there's actually something in here. Could be IC chips. Moisture or something. So, some of these things I'll probably turf those, but there's all sorts of cool stuff here. Oh, there's actually something on this roll here. Some sort of opponents. Huh. Some kind of stuff. So some of these rolls actually got stuff on there. Actually, they're not empty. Different. Never seen that before. So these are probably like automated for like the machines that go out there and solder everything automatically. Robotics. Anyways, I have to go through some stuff in detail, but so it's a good little adventure. There's something here. I have to look at them in static sensitive devices. So I thought they're empty reels, but there is a little bit on each reel. Like MOSFETs. These could be like even LEDs, who knows? I'll have to go through it in better detail. There might be something in these things. Oh yeah, there is something there. Actually, a lot of gold plating here, actually. Wow, some sort of components. They're plug-in things, and there's all the gold plating on there. It looks pretty good. So, actually, so pretty good. I'm pretty happy, anyways. Nice to get a different pickup than, you know, the same old, you know, scrap metal we're doing all the time, like appliances and just household trash, right? Okay, so I'll open it back up. I'm not sure how much I can show you. It's raining hard now. I may work in the yard a little bit here. Well, not so much in the yard, maybe in the garage. Maybe grab a couple of units I can take apart. I'm gonna do a video or something. 10 a day off. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so here's my lift. These are kind of really cool looking things here. I don't know what these are. Pretty heavy. This is data logger. So it's just something probably I won't be able to use, but it might have some cool stuff in there. I'm gonna have to put a couple tires in the ground. See, some of the stuff is actually ink is coming off, and you can see it's going all over ground. But the aluminum boxes. Okay. Be interesting to see. We'll grab a couple tires and we'll throw that top down. There's another piece of testing equipment up here. Looks pretty interesting. There's a lot of these radios here. See these here? Motorola's. This is missing front plate. Some have front plates, but they're all going to be aluminum. We'll be taking them apart. So it'll be interesting. Okay, let me get organized here. Stand by. See, here's some sort of weird testing equipment. And then here are those radios. Motorola. Too bad it's raining, everything's getting wet, but a lot of stuff is going to be obsolete. Special, you know, for like maybe law enforcement or something. A lot of circuit boards. There's another radio. All this stuff could be stainless or something. Bunch of gadgets and parts. Problems when you're buying stuff from auctions and stuff, you know, most of the stuff is going to be decommissioned, especially with the government. No stainless. There's some boards, the IC chips here. whole lot of stuff in here actually, a lot of boards. These could have came out of those radios probably. These could be the digital boards even. Hard to say. But very interesting pick, that's for sure. You never know what you come across. There's power supplies and different kind of gadgets. I want to knock that down here, but I gotta be careful here. There's lots of radios in here. I threw them all in here, all loose. Most of the stuff's been robbed from components, but there's still wires, some aluminum, the transformers. You know, there's going to be still stuff in there. Well, hopefully they'll knock this down here so it doesn't make too much of a noise. But everything's getting wet, so it's going to be a nightmare mess. So let's see if I can knock it down. Oh, right through the fence. That's a bummer. Excuse my language. It's my fence anyways. I'll have to repair it. That's a bummer. Okay, anyways. Okay, here's the Motorola radios. Got some gold plating here where the microphone goes, but let's see, let's start taking some apart. It's mostly aluminum. Just don't wonder how much I can take apart. All Torx bits. I think the digital board is taking notes. There's something here, and there's quite a bit of stainless steel mixed in here. See, everything's gonna be stainless steel or aluminum. It's all commercial, so it's gonna be interesting. That's your transmitter section. Module. Here's your transmitter. Yeah, this is gonna be all commercial, like stainless steel. It's all gonna be good quality. I want to know what it looked like before it was all stripped apart. Another kind of circuit here. This is stainless steel again. Just in case I put a magnet on it. So that would be steel. So lid is steel. Into a couple different screws all of a sudden. Stainless. Hopefully there's some IC chips or something good in here. They're all tuned circuits. It's well built, it's all modular, so it's tuned to the frequency they use, right? It's not, they don't get interference, or aluminum. If it's not tuned properly, they'll get interference, right? It's all RF shielded. Okay, aluminum. Let me just pull this cap out here. Tensions. It says tension, electrostatic sensitive. I don't know. Some of your brain there. Try to find the magnet. Stainless steel again. Okay, I'm going to try to take this apart a little more, and then I'll show you. You're going to need multiple screwdrivers because there's so many different sizes here. Okay, stand by. Okay, so far it's pretty complicated to take apart. These are the boards so far. Quite a bit of gold plating on there and different things. There's something in this sealed in here. Gold plating around that. And here, some sort of stuff for satellite stuff, I guess. There's all these little connections that are going to come out, and I don't have the right sizes. There's 3 different sizes I need. But I might have it in this container. I'll double check, but I should be able to strip most of it down. Should be quite a bit of weight for scrap metal wise. Mostly just going to be scrap metal. There's not a lot of. See, these are gold plated pins here. Pretty nice actually. I think it's probably not too bad. So we're going to be dealing with here's your antennas right there. I mean, it's pretty heavy stuff. Not sure how the front comes out, but on the board here still. So let me see if I can get some more stuff. I'll put it together, you know, strip it up, and maybe I can weigh aluminum out or something. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, stripped it all out. It's kind of what it has basically. It's all cast. A couple pounds, probably 3 pounds, so not too bad. 3 pounds of aluminum. Did get some boards. Just put it all in here for now. A little bit of stainless here, but probably not enough to register, probably. No, almost register. Almost a half pound of stainless, I would think. So they actually strip pretty nice. I'll take it down. These are the boards here. That's the faceplate. The knobs. Boards. Not much here. Some ICs here. Board here. A little bit of gold plating. Where all the joints, they kind of back to back. They plugged in each one back to back. So there's some gold plating. Kind of interested in this thing here, but sealed in there pretty good. Tried prying it already. It's just started cracking. It's just starting to crack. I'm not really sure. Probably have to apply some heat to it or something. It's probably where your main transistor is for your output or something. Anyways, a very interesting strip out. I'm going to open this up next demo. Okay, there's a million screws on these things here, so I'm not really sure see they're plugged in there. Little coils, they're plugged in there. See that? Well, pretty interesting. So I like to take the main part apart. You may have to take every screw out here. It looks like there's all screws here, all through here. I'll take them all out, I think, to get to the board. And maybe under the feet or something. Okay, let me just take all the screws out here and get further in here. Okay. Okay, so this is aluminum to top. I'll tell you, look at this, man. That's nice. Nice looking there. Some sort of digital card in there. It's a PC card, it says. Wow. These all removable. I think. Maybe not. Huh. Probably a pretty expensive unit in its time. It's all gold plated. All gold plating everywhere. Wow, pretty impressive actually. It's the kind of stuff you like getting. It's just because it's odd. Not your standard e-waste. I'm not sure how old this equipment is. But it's all aluminum case, it's all commercial quality. Okay, let me just take some more apart. Okay, so I've been taking stuff apart. Some plating is good and some plating is not that good. But pretty interesting. The guy got the stuff from me, says they do resale, so I guess they tried selling it. But some of the stuff could be obsolete. You know, it's like a computer, like a 486, you know, what you can do with it, right? But, you know, it's definitely commercial built, commercial quality. A little bit of wire, not a lot. All these things are kind of like very little wire, but it's mostly little jumpers and stuff. This little power supply. Let me just take out the rest of this here and I'll show you at the end what I got here. Okay. Okay, so I got issues with this stuff here. This stuff has inserts, metal inserts. So you'll have to come out. These, not these ones, but the sides have. We've got water coming in here. My feet are soaking wet. Driving crazy here. So not going to be 100% clean yet. I'm trying to find out where my axe might be. Used it yesterday somewhere. I think I might be able to hammer these out. With the axe, especially with the axe, I might be able to knock them down. I'm thinking, but if I hit them with an axe, they may pop right out. See, not so much with this. You know, this is just going to pop right out. You have to use a punch on some of it, but is it worth it? That's the thing. I'm going to start punching everything out. It's just going to take a lot of time. I guess it's not so bad, these ones, but these ones are actually not that bad, but the other ones are more complicated. Okay, so anyways, I'll weigh that up and I'll show you the boards and everything, and then we'll just gotta clean them later. Okay, so that's all aluminum here. That still has to be cleaned. You gotta punch the things out. These are the boards here. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. That was the touchpad. Touchpad looks like silver, no gold. These are boards here. They're all removable IC chips, which is kind of cool. Something else here. More here. This was the screen. I took the screen out. So there's the IC chips, flop packs. And these are all removable here. This could be EEPROMs maybe here. So that's it. Got a transformer. That was another transformer here. I took the heatsink off. A little bit of wire. That's it. So not bad. I mean, interesting. Okay guys, I think that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Weather's kind of clearing up again now. Supposed to be nice the next couple days, so maybe we can do some of this stuff outside in a couple days. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.